Hello, this is Tommy. Welcome back to Chatomics. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a tool or a package that I use very often in my daily work. It's called DataPasta. So I use it to copy the data from spreadsheet or on the web into our RStudio as a vector or a data table. Okay, it's actually very useful. For example, if you look at this GIF, essentially you can copy those data, and if you go to RStudio, and you can paste that as a table. Okay, that's actually very useful. So let me demonstrate that. Okay, so go to RStudio. First, you have to install the package using this command. So you can find that commands in the GitHub repository. So by the way, the Markdown file for this video will be in the show notes. Okay, make sure you check it out. So I already installed it. And now, for example, you have a spreadsheet from your colleagues and you want to actually do some data analysis. Okay, so this is just a dummy spreadsheet. Because sometimes, of course, you can read in that spreadsheet using R, but sometimes you just want to do a quick analysis, or people just send you a message and give you the gene names. So what you can do, you can select this, copy, and go to RStudio. So once you install the package, you will have this add-in functions like here, paste as tribal, as vector, for example. So put your cursor here, then go to add-ins and say paste as vector. Boom, and now you have a vector, right? And that's actually very convenient. And you can even paste the vectors in the vertical form, right? So if you go here, say paste as a vector in the vertical. So then you have a really nicely formatted vector, okay? Of course, you can save that into a variable, my genes, for example. Then you can do the data analysis. Okay, so you can also copy and paste them as a table, right? So let's see how we can do that. So go to the spreadsheet. And if you copy paste this, right click, copy, and go back to RStudio. Put your cursor in where you want to paste, and go adding, paste as a tribal, okay? So essentially just a data table, okay? So you do this, and if you run that code, so it's very nice table, data frame, okay? Of course, you can save that as a variable, data frame. Okay, this is actually very, very helpful. So sometimes you can do that with Excel spreadsheet, or sometimes even on the web, there's a data table, and you can just copy that table from a web and then paste them as a data frame easily in RStudio. So I think this little trick actually helped me a lot and saved me a lot of time to type all those tedious gene names, for example. Okay, so this is a very short video today. I hope you find it really useful, and happy learning, and I will see you next time. Make sure you subscribe to the video, to the Chatomics YouTube channel.